Hi friends, this is a small digital alarm clock for your travel purpose, and you can see it here that it have two alarm settings and the time with humidity and temperature. Let me just open this box. It's a manual and clock itself. Let me just show you the clock size. It's like a palm size. You can see it here, and this is the manual that comes with it, and this manual is in English. Pretty much it shows like how we can use this clock. So two alarm setting, it requires two AA batteries, and time setting and temperature and humidity sensors are inside it, so that's all automatic. And this shows like how we can set alarm in this clock and the maintenance tips. So let me now show you the clock. There is a protective coating sheet on it that shows how it looks. Let me just remove it so that we can see it clearly. So this is how the clocks look like. So once I put the battery in, you can see it. So there is a two color sensors, so that one is for temperature, one is for humidity for the comfortable level, and this is the clock itself. So let me just open this slot so that I can add in the batteries. It requires two AA batteries, so let me just get the batteries and put inside it. Now you can see the clock is on, and you can see the temperature and humidity inside the room itself. There is a one time set button. Once you press it for one time, actually it goes like degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit for the temperature. So you can see it here that once I click it, it converted to degree Fahrenheit or degree Celsius. Then long press it and the time start blinking, and you can set it from here. Let me just set the time and show it to you. So one more time click and it goes to the minute. It's pretty much straightforward to set the time. So I don't face any issue from 24 hours or 12 hour slot that you can choose it from. So 2019 the current year, and the month and the date. So pretty much like it can show you all the required information regarding your days, time, date, everything. And you can see it here that below that like the temperature and the humidity, and it shows at the comfortable level that it shows green, that it's good and comfortable. So pretty much it's a very nice clock, and I feel that quality wise and this it can be really handy and can be taken very easily. And now let me just set the alarm for it. So there is a two alarm setting. Once you press alarm 1, and you can see the alarm here, and when you long press that alarm 1, you can actually then set the time you want to put in. So there is a off, alarm 1, alarm 2. So you can see it here. So now I'm just trying to change the time for the alarm, and then the date it asking for the level, and then all set. Now for the holder, you can see that it have a little the size itself, and it's self standable, and you can just put it on the desk or nearby, and then it will just stay there. You can also have that button for light it up like in the night. So when you press this button on the top, the light will be on, and you can increase the brightness by clicking it multiple times. So pretty much with the light and stuff, you can see everything. Very nice clock, very nice quality. I like this clock.